Ghetto Stock Exchange, live from New York. You know, we rise to 5. You know, Stone Love, all's well. Finball, what's good? We in the hood, man. All this fucked up. That motherfucking Linden Projects. You know, this is real shit. Real shit. See the hand? See the hand touching this motherfucker? Real shit.
It is what the fuck it is. Welcome to Linden House.
Come on, read.
This is what the fuck it is. Welcome to Linden House. And this is where the fuck I grew up at. You know what I'm saying? Shirey, big motherfucker, East New York. You know what I'm saying? This is what it is. Grew up here. We put this shit on the map. You know what I'm saying?
Tell them.
Fuck it. No, this is what it is. It's where nigga premieres from out here. Who the fuck else? Fat Boys came from out this motherfucker.
No shit.
Nigga Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Producer. Motherfucking bunch of other niggas on the other side of the coin y'all might not know. You know what I'm saying? But this where it is. This like the heart of East New York right here. So when you hear niggas yelling about East New York and all that shit, they talking about out this motherfucker a lot. Cause this Linden. Alright?
Linden.
I'm gonna show y'all some other projects later on. Right now, that's that.
That's that?
Alright?
Yeah. Linden. On the fucking map, yo. It's shit. Fucking Linden, yo. These projects, man. Motherfuckers talking about they live in the projects looking like townhouses and shit. This is the real fucking jacks. You know what I'm saying? Look at this shit. Look at this fucking building, yo. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. Look. Live motherfucking New York. A fucking body, yo. A fucking body, yo. Yo. A fucking body, yo. On the fucking ground, yo. Real shit. Fucking going. Look, you read. We gotta go to the fucking other side. There's some bullshit. Straight bullshit. Look at that shit. Where the fuck we at? East side. You know. Doing the damn thing, man. Yeah. You know. It's late at night. Still with my head leaning, motherfucker. You get it? Yeah. Yeah, and it's like Boulevard House. Yeah, oh yeah. Brownsville houses, y'all. Yeah. Dang, hold on. Galaxy Motel. Whole lot of bumping going on. High bumping. Fucking EMS probably going to go get that body. Look at that. East Brooklyn Industrial Park. Pennsylvania. Give me y'all whiplash watching this, but that's what it is. Cypress Ave. Last words, Clay.
Trick. Missouri, we gonna see you in a minute.
You got any projects coming?
Yeah. We got a bunch of stuff coming. We got Chameleon Rebellion coming. We got Guns N' Roses Part 2 coming. We got 730 coming. We got, man, we got a bunch of stuff. We got Salt coming. We got Flavor Flav coming. We got Blue Da Vinci coming. A lot of different things going to happen this year. 2006.
Yo, do your thing out there in the mo. Everybody out there in the mo, yo, what up? You know what I'm saying? This is BK Love, you know what I'm saying? Got a bunch of shit getting ready to go on. Y'all wait. That new Source Money joint, I'm on that, you know what I'm saying? Spitting fire.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all let them know when they talk about Brooklyn, all these niggas be talking all that G.S.E., B.I.G. bullshit. I taught them niggas, alright? Let y'all niggas know something. You know, this is real. I hope they getting this shit on camera. I taught them niggas. I say that shit to the whole fucking industry. I don't give a fuck. Fuck that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Let y'all niggas know. Straight up. Matter of fact, I got 16 for you faggot ass niggas, alright?
Go ahead.
Wild out. Alright, check this out, man. Yo, if I could walk on water, I probably wouldn't fuck with land. I feel better sleeping with the fishes than awake with man. Jehovah's got a witness, nigga, take the stand and testify against these devils trying to break the man. It's like every day I'm contemplating death a bit. I'm giving a fuck how many more breaths I spit. If life's a game, somebody please rep this shit. I guess I gotta be right, cause I ain't been left with shit. They say the Lord is my shepherd, but then like Bo Peep, somewhere along the way, that motherfucker lost the sheep. There was wolves in my clothing, they were on the creep. A voice consoled me like Mary told me, don't you weep. Stay on the battlefield, test your survival in the sun. Cause every nigga step between the Bible and the gun. Don't worry, my hood niggas, God bees us. He's a thug too. Why the fuck you think he named his son Jesus? Fuck is y'all?
Yeah. Yeah. Real hood shit. You know? That grimy shit. Out here motherfucking New York. Warrior. Live in New York. East New York. You know? It's real shit. You know? Black Stone in this motherfucker. Fin ball rolling. You dig? Right. Yeah. And it's like that. From the West to the Midwest. You know how we do. Ghetto Stock Exchange. G.S.E. TV. Live.